What's happening, everybody? Got a little update that was not really planned for that I'm gonna go ahead and give you. I've updated my ZPAP M92. I know I've said time and time again that I wasn't gonna change the wood out. I wasn't gonna do this. I was gonna keep it natural. Has the last round bolt hole open. Has a cookie cutter on the end. We got a all aluminum grip on it, and we have the SB Tactical TF1913 on this. All right, that's the jump. This one, not doing tactical, leaving the wood on, leaving everything as it is. And for the most part I have, but there are a couple of things I decided that I wanted to do to it. So here we go. I'm finna go ahead and let you check it out. All right, here we go. As you see, she looks a little bit different. I took the cookie cutter off and I put a vented barrel extension on. And I also took the top part of the wood, which I really did not want to touch, but I did go ahead and take it off, and I'll put a cheese grater on there. And the reason I did this is because I already have one gun that is super loud with super big flash, and you know, I figure I might as well, you know, let that have it and then have this one a little bit more subdued. Hence the reason I call this one the Gentleman. All right, so here we go. You see the extension on it. You see the cookie cutter, and you know, you see the SB Tactical TF1913, and you see the KGB pistol grip on it. So this is actually just phase one of what I'm doing. This will look completely different here in a little while. And what I will do is eventually get to the range and have a shooting comparison with the vented barrel extension compared to the cookie cutter and see what the difference is. See if it makes a lot of difference, or see if it just kind of, you know, does nothing. So we shall see, we shall see. And I got this cheese grater top cover from Kyber Customs, and the barrel extension came from usmachineguns.com. And you know, this ran about, I think it was about 60 bucks or something. And you know, this actually, I bought this from Atlantic Firearms, the handguard, Atlantic Firearms, and it was, what, about 100 bucks. And I got the TF1913 from preppergunshop.com, preppergunshop.com. And I got the rail from cncwarrior.com, cncwarrior.com. And I think that covers pretty much everything I have on here. And but yeah, those are the new additions. Like I said, this is just phase one, so you know, stay tuned to see how I finish this, because I am not done yet. I am not done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the notifications.